Hey guys, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a Shein haul. I literally just went to pick up my Shein package and I'm just so excited. Please don't mind the noise in the background. I'm multitasking. That's my washer. If you hear noise, I gotta wash clothes. It's Saturday, February 12th. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I didn't order too many things, but what I ordered is just exciting because it's like, well, you'll see in a minute. I won't tell you. And then I'll do a separate try-on haul. I'm just so excited. This is like getting stuff from Shein and other places that I love to shop is like the highlight of my day. Let me take my bracelet off. It's gonna keep dangling in the video. So cute. Look at the bracelet. I bought this from a small business on Instagram. So cute. Okay. So these are clothes. Oh my god. Okay, so let me do the shirts first. So this is how it comes. I'm excited, guys. And you'll see in a minute why. Yes, I needed some black t-shirts. And I love this because it's black and pink. I'm glad I got a medium now. See, sometimes you don't know with Shein because sometimes their stuff runs like they do their own sizing. I was gonna get a small, but something told me to get a medium, so this kind of looks like a small, but it is so cute. I needed some graphic tees and I wanted some specifically with pink, and this one says, "It's girl things, you don't have to get it." So cute. And this is another one. Okay, so this one's running pretty big because I think I got this in a size medium. And look at that. I got it because of the colorful like dripping of the paint. I think I'm gonna wear this for dance though. I want to use this for dance just to add like a pop of color. And plus I do videos on TikTok, so this is probably gonna look really nice like in my dance videos. This even looks like dancers at the bottom. Hold on, I think it is. Yeah, that is too cool. Like splats of paint, but it's dancers. I didn't even see that in the on the website, so that's so cool. Perfect. This is another graphic tee, and I was so excited about this one because of the fact that the shirts were pink, black with pink. This is okay. This is perfect. What's that? This is a medium, and this is so cute. I just thought the teddy bear was so cute. It says "Selfie Queen" with the teddy bear and the pink camera, and yes, that is me because I'm always taking selfies and pictures. So I thought I just needed some new t-shirts, guys. The t-shirts that I have been like old and worn, and you know, you just need some new things sometimes. So I think these are cute. I'm gonna definitely go back and order some more, but I definitely needed some t-shirts for dance as well as my videos and stuff like that. It's too cute. Look at that! Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So now for the part I really liked. I got some shoes, and look, pink. Guys, look at these. They're so cute. I got these for dance, and I also got these for a photo shoot that I'm thinking about doing. This is pink, so this definitely fits the aesthetic. These are some cool sneakers. The heel part is like platform in a way. They look like the Balenciagas, but they're not Balenciagas. And I think they're too cool. I hope they fit well. We're gonna see, because they said did they say size up? I don't remember what it said, but I got a 39, which is a 38, but sometimes in sneakers I wear a 7. So yeah, they said to size up. So I got the 39, which would be an 8, because I wear anywhere between a 7 and an 8. So that's why I sized up to the 8. From looking at it, it looks like it's gonna fit. I can always usually tell. But these are so cute because they're pink. Maybe I could wear them to dance. I don't know. But I think they're gonna look good for the photo shoot that I want. And I'll leave the links in the description to everything that I got. But these I think are so, let me show you. I don't know what this says. This is just like numbers down here. It doesn't really say anything. So you don't really have to be too concerned about people looking at your sneaker. I mean, at a glance, it may look like Balenciagas, but they're not. And it doesn't have a name on it where people could recognize it. For some of you who are a little, you know, weary of wearing sneakers that don't have a particular name brand, but I'm okay with it. I think it's pink. The way I rock it and style it, it's gonna look nice. If you wear something like this that's plain, if you have like a bag that's a name brand bag, or like like you can mix up. There are no fashion rules. Like, you make up your own rules. If it looks good on you, you can wear it with confidence and you can make a fashion statement. It works. And these were only like 30 something dollars, maybe even less than that, because I used a coupon code. So I'm so excited about these. I got one more. Let's see. Another thing. That's why I'm so excited. So this is like a Shein pink haul. I am so, this looks so nice. This also is like the Balenciaga style sneakers, but I like that they had the snake print there. And like, this is like a sock. I have a black pair of these, not the same exact, but the same style, which I really, really like. And I was like, this pink is gonna look really nice in pictures. This looks like it might be big, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, guys. That's the end of my haul. These are what the shoes, this is like a light pink, and this is gonna look so nice. Like, oh my gosh. Let me get this here. Thumbnail. Wait, oh, let me fix my hair. Hopefully it caught it. Yeah, guys, so that's the end of my Shein haul. I will definitely do, I might incorporate in this video me wearing it. I probably will. I probably will, but I have to go because I have a Zoom meeting. But I wanted to quickly open my package online and show you guys and share with you. All the links for everything will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching.